mastering motion, an insight into. Hello, language learners. Today, we're venturing into the fascinating world of English prepositions, particularly focusing on the usage of into in indicating direction. By the end of this video, you will not only understand how to use into, but also how it enriches your expressions in English. Into is a preposition that often indicates movement or action towards the inside of a place. It suggests a transformation or change in state. You use into when something or someone moves from an outside space into an enclosed one. Example: he walked into the room. But into isn't just about entering places. It can be used to indicate direction or the point that someone or something is moving towards. It gives your sentences more dimension, showing the trajectory of an action. Example: he dove into the pool. Here, into indicates the direction of the diving action. Into also portrays a state of change or transformation, often from one state or form to another. Example: the caterpillar transformed into a butterfly. Here, into indicates a transformation. Lastly, into is frequently used in idiomatic expressions. These phrases don't always follow the normal rules but are commonly used in everyday English. Example: she's really into jazz music. Here, into signifies interest or enthusiasm. And that's it. The preposition into carries a lot of weight, from indicating direction, showing a transformation, to being part of idiomatic expressions. Remember, practice is key when mastering these uses. Keep practicing and, before you know it, you'll naturally incorporate into your everyday English conversation. Thank you for watching, and until next time, keep delving deeper into English.